Hey Jordan, I miss you. And please, Audra. I miss you too. My stomach. I want to say nice video, yeah. Shut up! I stubbed my toe! She's so nice.
It's well. She sung
nice.
She sung well.
She sung well, yeah. That's how you say it.
Good.
She sung good.
I want to do well.
She sung well. She sung well, yeah.
I like bacon.
Oh well.
Hot.
I'm not hot. I'm wearing
Hi.
shorts.
Okay. So,
Love the video.
did you want to say anything else?
I miss you.
I miss you.
Come back.
Well, don't come back. But
Ow!
But we miss you.
Come back. I mean back to
Wait, I'm gonna burp
Tennessee.
for her.
You were not burping for her.
I'm gonna burp for her.
Apparently she's gonna burp for you. But we're gonna chug a Coke and burp. I farted. You spit on my arm.
I farted. Wait. The doctor. That fridge isn't on. You know that, right?
Darn.
The 3 tap theory. Oh yes.
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna chug it.
We've had
I chugged a whole one last time and just went bleh.
but it's not good to chug. It tastes. She probably hear you.
Oh well.
Your hair looks orange in the video.
Yeah, my hair always looks orange in the video. It's bright red.
Hey,
You can scoot over. I need to chug the Coke. Just give me my third Coke. Jesus Christ.
I'm atheist. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not atheist.
I didn't even drink anything yet.
Oh, it tastes like hot dogs. I heard you gargle.
Oh, that was nasty.
Lord have mercy.
It burned my tongue.
More of a cough than a burp.
I'm having fun with this.
I'm not.
Oh, it smells like hot dog. It burns my tongue.
I know what I'm gonna do for my song.
Ooh. Oh, that one burned my nose, Hayden.
Yep.
Did you get a name? Okay. She got a YouTube channel. You can friend her. It's the Pepe Love.
Yeah, it's Pepe Love. It's really stupid.
We should do this. Like, we can do like I miss you videos.
Oh, I miss you. I know I miss you.
We
I
could do
know
like
I miss
videos back and forth.
you.
I farted again. That was.
And you said you're the one that's suffering. Jordan! I mean, Audra! You like burped and then you burped.
Ugh. Swallowed that one.
Hey.
This is probably really not good for me.
You chugged 3 of them.
It fizzed that ball.
I spit on your.
That one was pretty good.
You're gonna love us. I love you, Jordan. No homo.
Oh, it burns.
We're such guys. But we're not dudes.
sing. Oh, you're doing someone.
Someone like you.
You have a voice like her.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Her or her?
Oh.
What? Oh, Lord. Lord of mercy. You know what? Kylie should make a YouTube channel. She can really sing.
She could? I've never heard her sing
Like,
before.
really good singing. You done yet? And there she blows.
I think it's gonna be sick. I haven't really eaten anything. I just got a dark Coke.
Do you want to eat something?
Oh.
You're such dude.
Ooh. I feel way better. I'm dead serious. I don't-
Okay, well, bye,
Wait,
Jordan.
no. I have to have more Coke.
It's 2:31. We're good.
Oh, that one burned.
Okay, bye, Jordan. No, love you.
Okay, now you can go.
Okay, bye, Jordan. Love you. Come
you.
back to Tennessee. Okay.
Whoa, she moved out of the state?
Aww.
I'll come visit you.
Okay, bye, chica.